Welcome everybody. You may have logged on and noticed a new look and feel for Sides Online with new fonts, updated icons, a new layout, and some new terminology. This video will give you a quick tour of the new user interface called the Daylight Experience. Let's begin our tour. After logging into sidesonline.com, you'll come to the home page. Here you'll see a list of your courses, and they have these banner images. If you have more courses than the ones you see here, you can click View All Courses, or at the top of the page, you'll also find this grid icon, which will give you a list of all your courses. Also on this page, you'll find announcements that get sent to every student who's enrolled at Sides. Okay, so now I want to give you a sense of what it looks like when you actually get into the course itself. So I've gone ahead and clicked on Pre-Calculus 12 from my list of courses on the Sides homepage. So what you see now is the Pre-Calculus 12 page, which has information specific to this course. So here you'll find information about your teacher, how to contact your teacher, and if you scroll down, you'll also find announcements that are specific to the course. In this case, these are announcements specific to Pre-Calculus 12. The last thing I want to show you today is everything you need to navigate through your course. So the old Sides Online had some drop-down menus on the top of the screen up here, and that's been replaced now with this navigation bar that contains everything that you need to access the features in your course. So the most important tabs along the navigation bar here, you'll first find content. This contains all your lessons and instructions for completing assignments. This is where you're going to be spending most of the time in the course completing your work. The next important tab along the top, you'll find assignments. This is replacing what used to be called the Dropbox. So if you find a reference to Dropboxes, you need to submit an assignment to a Dropbox. Instead, you'll be selecting assignments at the top, and you should find the list of all the relevant assignments that you have to submit in your course here. The Grades tab will bring you to your grade book so that you can check your class progress and see relevant grades and feedback from your different submissions, including assignments, tests, and quizzes. The Quizzes tab will bring you to all the quizzes you need to complete in your course. Some courses may not have this if they don't use the quiz tool, but one of the most important places that you can go is the Class Progress tab here. So the Class Progress tab will contain a lot of the information of the other tabs that you saw. Most importantly, though, it's here for accessing your feedback. So for example, if I go into assignments, you can see the Unit 2 Radicals and Rationals send-in assignment I did. If I click on Details, you'll see the teacher's feedback of everything from this assignment, as well as any attached files that the teacher may have uploaded that might include marks on your assignment. So things like written feedback from an essay you got, or a marked up math assignment that shows corrections and gives you suggestions of places where you can improve. And it's also from this page that you can find feedback from your quiz attempts. Again, you go into your quiz attempts and you select Details, and you can see your feedback here. So I hope that's enough to get you started, and if you have any questions that were not answered in this video, please contact your course instructor.